Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Surfer. So today I will show you how to make your taskbar transparent. So to make your taskbar transparent for free, follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to your Microsoft Store. So search here Microsoft Store. So then open it. Then here you have to search translucent. TRANS. So here you can see this transparent translucent TV is here. Click on this and you have to install it. So to install it, click on this and wait for a moment. So successfully installed translucent TV. If I open it, click on continue, click on clear. Okay, it's working successfully. So here you can see this, there is no background in this taskbar. So if I disable it, here you can see this, there is the taskbar showing here. So if I then open it, you can see this, there is no background. So there is no background showing here. So this way you can make your taskbar transparent. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.